Hello everyone, welcome to Just Smile More. I guess you could say that was a shocking experience for him. And for her too.
You know how close that lightning was? Oh my god!
That's what I call a close call. He must have felt the thunder in his bones.
Oh, dude, fuck that, bro.
That must have been a striking sight.
Oh my god. That hit that thing. That hit that, yeah.
Looks like he got a good jolt of electricity from that bolt.
Inside now!
Lightning strike right in front of me. Hey, not right. Oh my!
I cracked myself then.
Did it hit something?
Yeah. I ain't going out in there.
Looks like that guy was really shocked by the sudden storm.
Holy shit!
Oh shit!
And there comes another one. That was a divine intervention if I ever heard one. Good thing he had someone to pray to in that moment.
Oh my god, I hope I got that.
Well, that game sure ended with a bang. Those kids must have been lightning fast getting back to their house. Looks like the party really got electrifying. It seems the thunder wanted to add its own explosive conclusion to the national anthem.
That tree just got hit right there. Holy
It must have been a nerve-wracking experience for this man.
wow.
Yeah, it's been a while since we had a storm coming from a direction we can actually see it.
Oh no, I got 2 bars left, dude. Oh, I got it!
You get it?
I got it!
Wow, that was a powerful lightning strike. That was powerful one.
Holy crap, that hit the tree.
Yeah.
It almost felt like an earthquake.
Wow, Matt, I think you left at the right time.
That was a big one. Unbelievable power.
Did I get the...
This guy filmed multiple ones. The hand keeps shaking.
Liz! Oh, shit!
Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me.
I think he shit his pants.
A severe thunderstorm warning.
Thunder shooting.
I probably won't catch shit.
Picking up now. Here we go.
Holy shit! Holy
The sparks were flying everywhere.
Holy fucking shit! Holy
This is possible too.
I'm probably in third. Oh,
Thunder got angry on the beach.
fucking god.
He must have had quite a spark of inspiration to capture so many thunderous moments.
Oh my gosh.
This felt like an earthquake.
Sit down.
Goober! Scared the crap out of me.
Thanks for watching. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video.
Holy shit!